Hello viewers, uh, welcome back to my channel. So today I will explain about Jira workflow properties and settings. What are all we can apply. So first of all, I will show some examples in this PPT, and then I will go for a demo session in my own Jira instance. Okay, so let me make this in presenting mode. Uh, Let me open laser point. Okay, so uh, you know this is the definition of Jira workflow properties. So in Jira, workflow properties are settings that you can apply to your workflow to customize its behavior. So these properties can help define how issues uh, move through the workflow and how certain actions or conditions are handled. So to set these properties, you can typically need administrative permissions. So you can configure them in under issues and then workflow. But these properties are case sensitive, and I will show the examples of some of workflow properties. So if you see here, this is an example for to set the permission of an issue across the group. Like you can restrict some people group of people uh, using this permission property. So and also similarly you can if you want to make some issue non-editable at some stage, like some issues are reaching to closed status, a done status, and you don't want to make that issue editable, then you can use this property. And similarly you can, if you clone some of the issues, and if you want that issues are created with a summary like copy of, you can use this property. And this is again if you don't want to see the header section of the issue, you can use this property. And similarly, these are some of the properties you can use, like a comment is public. If you make comment is private, you can use this property. And one more thing, like this property you can put in two entities. So I will show you in the demo. Okay, so these are the some of properties, like again attachment property, and again comment can be added by some group only. So you can use some of the properties. Okay, now you got the examples. So now let's go to the Jira. So I will show the live property demo. So let me open first a test project. So it's a Jira service management project. So suppose if you see here, there is a bug, two bugs are there. So these two are in open status. Let me suppose if I make the status to in progress, and I will have resolved status. So I will make this status to resolved. Okay, so all the required fields needs to be filled. uh, sometimes due date is mandatory in our systems. So let me fill some due date. It's like you know okay, so let me try to resolve it. Okay, now it's in resolved status, and there is one more status from resolved. So it is called closed. So now it's in closed status, but I can able to edit the fields. Like suppose if I can make the priority changes, or I can add some of the details. And if I don't want to edit the ticket after it reached to close status, I can make this ticket non-editable using the property issued property. So for that, what we need to do, so I'm just let me just go to the workflow name. So it's bug new workflow. So let me just copy it and just go to the workflows and just paste here. Okay, this is the bug new workflow, and I'll just edit it. And now let me open it in diagram view. So this is the workflow, right? Uh, so I just want to uh, make ticket non-editable when it reach to closed status. Now just click on this closed status. You'll see the pop-up right side, and just click on the properties. And i- so you need to add these entities like whatever I shown in the PPT, right? So for example, jira.issue.comment is.public. This should be need to add in property key, and this false need to be added in property value. Okay, so now we are discussing about jira.issue.editable field, right? Property, right? So I need to add this property key now. Jira.issue.editable. So just make sure this should be in lowercase, because Jira properties are case sensitive. So I'll make the property value as false. So I will just add this one. So now the property Jira issue editable property has been added. Now go to the draft of the workflow, and make sure you need to publish this workflow, otherwise it won't save. Okay, now the workflow is saved with the required changes. Now let's go to the our same property test service management. Okay, now let's see. Earlier, so we have closed one bug, right? So at the time we were able to edit the fields and all. So now let's see. Let's open this bug and let's close this bug. And I need to just fill due date, as it is mandatory field in the system. So let's resolve this. Let's close this. Okay, now this bug is closed, and now let me try to edit any of the field like medium. It's not opening. So earlier it was open, right, as you see earlier. So now I can't make any changes. So this is some request type only. So I can't make changes on screen. So I can't change the assignee a report, due date, priority, any changes I can't make. I can't add a description as well. So this is the, now you got it right. So now uh, as you added the property editable property in the closed status, so until this status has changed, you can't make any changes on this issue. So likewise you can add many properties, like you can, as I explained you earlier, you can put some permission property, or you can you know you can put some comment property or attachment property, whatever, like. So these are the properties we can utilize in our Jira instances, and we can get it implemented, and we can make the system more accurate. Okay, so hope you understand this video. So if you like this video, uh, please like and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching this video.